Hello students, good morning. This is our sixth online lecture. In this lecture, again we are going to study new topics regarding the numbers. But before that, please learn the tables from 1 to 15 perfectly because with the help of that we will study new topics of puzzle. We can say also some patterns we are going to study from our next week. So, in our chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers, today we are going to study about the successor number, predecessor's number, between number, and in the last we have to solve some fill in the blanks. See here, I am giving some introduction about after and before. Let us see with the help of one diagram. See in this figure, you can see two shapes are there. One is square and second is triangle. Which shape after square? So your answer is triangle. Which shape before triangle? So your answer is square. So successor means just after and predecessor means just before. See one another diagram, one another figure. In this figure you can see two shapes are there. One is circle, second one is rectangle. Which shape before circle? So you can say it is a triangle. Which shape before rectangle? So it is a circle. Which shape after triangle? So your answer is also circle. So we can say that the circle lies between rectangle and triangle. Now, which shape after circle? So, it is a rectangle. So, we can say that the successor means just after and predecessor means just before. So, the another name of after is successor and another name of before number is predecessors. As you know already, successor means after number. Now see, what is the successor? What is the after number? Let us see here. The number which comes immediately. Immediately means directly. After a particular number is called its successor. The successor of a number is the number obtained by adding 1 to it. If we want to find out the successor of any of the number, what we have to do? We have to just add 1 on that number. So we get the successor of that number. Let us see with the help of one example. See here, we can say that the successor of 0 is 1. So in this, what we have to do? We have to just add 1 in 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Another example, successor of 1 is 2. Again, you have to add 1 in the 1. So 1 plus 1, it is a 2. So we can say that the successor of 1 is 2. Again, the successor of 2 is 3. How it comes 3? We have to just add 1 in 2. See here, your number 17 is there. Okay. Now what is the successor of 17? Successor means after number. So 17 plus 1, we get answer 18. Now what is the successor of 18? What is the after number of 18? It is a 19. Now we are going to study about the predecessors before number. What is the before number? See, the number which comes just before a particular number is called its predecessors. The predecessors of a number is 1 less than the given number. So if we want to find out the predecessors, we have to subtract 1 from that number. So see here, this thing with the help of one example. The predecessors of 1 is 0. How it comes 0? So here you have to subtract 1 from 1. So 1 minus 1, it's a 0. Predecessors of 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Predecessors of 3 is 2. 3 minus 1, it becomes 2. See here again, this with the help of one example. 19. What is the before number of 19? What is the predecessors of 19? So we have to just do 1 minus from 19. So 19 minus 1 is equal to 18. What comes before 18? So 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. So please remember, whenever we have to find out the before number, at that time we have to start reverse counting, and whenever we have to find out the successor, at that time we have to start counting forward. Forward means next counting, and backward counting means reverse counting. See here, we are going to study about the between numbers. Now suppose here 18, that is your number. So on the right hand side you are getting the after number, and on left hand side you are getting before number. Another name for this 18, we can say this 18 is the between number, this 18 is the middle number. Again, after 18 you get that successor, and before it you are getting that predecessors. So now what is the after number of 18? It is a 19. What is the before number of 18? It is a 17. So between numbers lies in the middle of two numbers. In our this example, which is the middle number? 18 is the middle number, and this 18 lies between 17 and 19. If in the fill in the blanks given before a number, then write its predecessors. Means what? Suppose 18, that is your number, and before 18 they were given one fill in the blanks to you. Then you have to write down their predecessors. If in the fill in the blanks given after number, means here 18 your number, and after this 18 they were given one fill in the blanks to you. So in that fill in the blanks you have to write down their successor, means you have to write down their after number. So please remember, whenever you are moved on left hand side, you have to write down their predecessors before number. Whenever you are moved on right hand side, please write down their successor, means after number. And we can say also that another name of between number is the middle number. Now we will solve some filling the blanks regarding that topic. In this table, I am giving 3 columns to you. Number first, your number is 457. Now you see here, I am giving empty box to you before 457 and after 457. So please remember that thing. When you move on right hand side, just write down after number. When you move on left hand side, just write down before number. So first we will write down after number. What comes after 457? It is a 458. What comes before 457? It's a 456. To find out after number, you have to plus 1, and to find out before number, you have to do subtract 1 from the given number. Now your number 2 is number 700, and that box is on your right hand side. So you have to write down the successor of 700. What comes after 700? That is the 701 and then 702. Now number 3. Your number is 890. And before that 890, both boxes are empty. So in this both box, you have to write down their predecessors. Predecessor means before number. Now you see only last two digits. What comes before 9090? So for the before number, you have to count reverse. What comes before 90 in reverse counting? It is a 8989, and this hundreds place you have to put as it is. So your answer is 889. Now again you see, whenever you have to fill first box, you have to just see on second box only. You are not supposed to see on the third box. So what comes before 889? So we have to put first digit as it is. And what comes before 8989? It's a 88. So your answer is 888. Next number, 999. One box on left hand side, one box on right hand side. So first we fill the right hand side box. What comes after 999? Just add 1 in 999. So it is a 1000. And what comes before 999? So we have to do in this minus 1 from the ones digit. So 9 minus 1, it's a 8, and first two digit we have to put as it is. So your answer is 998. Next number 5, that is the 433. Again one box empty on left hand side and one box empty on right hand side. So we first fill right hand side box, 433. So after 33, 34 comes. So your answer is 434. Now what comes before 433? It's a 432. Next, 899. What comes after 99? It's 100. So in the place of this 29, we have to put 20 and just add 1 in 8. So 8 plus 1, it's a 900. So after 899, 900, and after this 900, it's a 901. Now your number 7. It's a 600. One box on left hand side empty and one box right hand side empty. So first we fill right hand side box. What comes after 600? It's a 601. And what comes before 600? It's a 599. I hope you understand all these example and all these topics very well. Thank you again.